Now, the channel has exclusively accessed the email exchanges between the Mumbai Police DIG Sunil Paraskar and the model who has accused him of rape. The model has mentioned the name of Bollywood actress Poonam Pandey in the email sent to Paraskar. The content of the mail suggests that she was furious with Paraskar for his links with Poonam Pandey. However, the DIG repeatedly denied having met her. Now, the mail trail between DIG Paraskar and the model started on the June 27th and ended on the June 28th. But their conversation revolved around actress Poonam Pandey. Her name figured in all these mails where the model accused the DIG over and over again of having bonds with Poonam. But the DIG kept denying it vehemently. He even demanded evidence from the model and said he was ready to face any punishment if she proved his relationship with Poonam. In one of the mails, the model ridiculed Paraskar for calling her a sister. She accused DIG and Poonam of conspiring against her and threatened to expose the top cop. Meanwhile, after revelations of the email, actor Poonam Pandey could be questioned by the Mumbai police in connection with a rape case against DIG Paraskar. However, two headlines today. Poonam Pandey has denied to have ever met DIG Paraskar. She said if she was called to record her statement, she would cooperate with the police investigators. I'd like to cut across at this point of time on the story with Sahil Joshi, our Mumbai bureau chief, who's joining us live. Sahil, you know, the story just keeps getting more complicated. Can you get us up to speed with the very latest?
See, at this point of time, Mumbai police is investigating the case, and as Sunil Paraskar has already approached the High Court for anticipatory bail, the court has asked police not to arrest Sunil Paraskar till 5th of August because on that particular day they are going to give a hearing to Sunil Paraskar say, and after that it will be decided whether Sunil Paraskar will get anticipatory bail or not. But on the other hand, police has already taken statement from the model, victim model, and they think that if there is any chance that Poonam Pandey is also involved in this case, they will also would like to take a statement from Poonam Pandey, and Poonam Pandey has already clarified that she will give the statement to police and she will cooperate with the police. But at this point of it, the most interesting fact coming out in this particular case is that now it is turning political because Shiv Sena has come out openly in support of Sunil Paraskar. In the editorial today, in Shiv Sena's mouthpiece Samna, Uddhav Thackeray clearly said that why the victim went to the police after 6 months. I mean, did she understood that she is raped after 6 months? And that is the question which has been raised by Shiv Sena. And the editorial also asks the investigating police officers to be careful while doing investigation because Shiv Sena thinks that it is ruining Sunil Paraskar's image in the public because he's a very senior police officer, and that is not going to be good for the police force. So other way it is turning political, and now we'll have to see that how police investigates this particular case, but it's turning more and more interesting. There is name of Poonam Pandey in this case, then the case turning political, so it looks like that Mumbai police will have to do the balancing act in this particular
All right, appreciate you joining us, Sahil, with the very latest there. Meanwhile, as Sahil was indicating that this particular case has already taken political color. The Shiv Sena has come out in support of the senior IPS officer Sunil Paraskar, who has been accused of rape by a Mumbai-based model. Now, in an editorial in its mouthpiece Samna, Sena Chief Uddhav said that one incident cannot make DIG Paraskar a villain. He went on to suggest that levelling rape allegations has become fashionable. Sources say it's not the first time Sena leaders have come out in support of government officials belonging to Maharashtra.